How to understand the spiral roundabouts, the A1231 Wessington Way to the A19 North. Route 3. Making progress towards the A19. Cross the roundabout, second exit, head towards the Tyne tunnel. Approaching the roundabout, check your mirrors, look to the right on approach. We're looking for a gap to enter onto the roundabout. When it's safe, make progress, look left, indicate left, make progress towards the next roundabout. The next roundabout we're going to turn right, third exit, mirrors, signal blind spot before you move across. We're taking the third exit, the A19 Tyne tunnel exit. As the road splits into three, you must stay in the right hand lane. The right hand lane goes to the A19 North, the left and middle lane goes to the A1231 to Washington or the A19 South. Making progress forward, follow the stud lines which will guide you towards the middle lane. Continue indicating right, A19 North. Remember, the left hand lane, you cannot turn right. Remaining in the middle lane, we're going to spiral into the left hand lane. As soon as you get past exit 2, look left, indicate left, and make progress down the acceleration lane. Exit 3. And continue to make progress up to the road speed. As we go down the acceleration lane, check your mirrors, check your blind spot, indicate right, stay in the left hand lane, look the curb, use the whole length of the acceleration lane, which eventually comes to an end, and smoothly you'll join the A19 North and make progress.